Hey guys, Teresa here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a product link to your Facebook Reel or Facebook. It's super easy and perfect if you're promoting something or sharing your favorite finds. So let's jump right in. I will show you both guys. It's almost the same, but I will show you on how you can put a link on your Facebook post and Facebook Reels. Let's go to Facebook, add a post. Piliin nyo lang yung photo, select multiple, then click on next. And then here you can put the description of your post. So in here guys, instead of putting your link on the description, let's try to put it on the product links that Meta provided. If you want na ilagay yung link dyan sa description, you can do it. But in this tutorial, I will show you on how you can put the product links, okay? Let's go to next. And then in here, you can click on the monetize product links. On that, pupunta tayo ng shop. Kukunin nyo lang yung link na product na gusto nyo. And then, click on copy link, Facebook po. Yun ang ilagay nyo. Then, sa link name, pwede nyo siyang lagyan. Click on save if you're okay with that. Click on save. Kita nyo to, this looks like branded content post. Click to add a paid. Click natin yan. Turn on nyo yung add paid partnership label. Click on save, then click on post. Refresh natin guys yung Facebook na. Dito hindi natin makikita yung link. Dito natin yung paid partnership. Makikita nyo dyan sa baba. Scroll down a little bit. Makikita nyo dyan is shop now. Okay? So kapag click nyo yan, you will redirect to the product na nakapost. You can easily access the product. And then sa pag-post naman ng Reels, so dito makakapag-add kayo ng title. Para maka-add tayo ng product links, click on see more, earn money, then product links. Click on that. Paste mo lang siya dyan. Then yung link name. So ito yung link preview na makikita nila sa baba ng yung Reels. Click on save. Then again dito makikita nyo yan. So click nyo uli yan. Then click on add paid partnership. Click on save again. If you're ready, click on post. Saan natin yan makikita. Pwede nyo i-refresh pag hindi nyo agad makita yung link na in-add nyo, paid partnership. Pag click nyo yan, makikita nyo sa baba yung shop now. Okay? And that's it guys. Super easy, right? Let me know in the comments if this helped. And don't forget to follow for more tips on content creation and social media. Thank you guys for watching. See you.